Dreame X40 Ultra should be at the top of your list for 2025. This isn't just any robot vacuum. It's a versatile cleaning powerhouse. Not only does it vacuum, but it also mops, leaving your floors gleaming. The extendable brush and mops are designed to reach tricky spots like the legs of chairs and tables effortlessly. With its innovative double scraper, the self-cleaning base station uses 70 degrees Celsius hot water to wash both the mop cloth and the base, cutting down on odors and the hassle of manual cleaning. The X40 Ultra boasts a whopping 12,000 PA suction power, among the highest available, ensuring no hair or debris is left behind. Its advanced navigation system creates detailed maps of your home, optimizing cleaning routes. Plus, the integrated RGB camera and 3D structured light technology allow it to dodge up to 120 objects, from shoes to toys. In dimly lit rooms, the built-in LED light steps in, guaranteeing a thorough clean on all surfaces. On the tech side, the accompanying mobile app enhances user experience. You can monitor cleaning maps, set no-go zones, and check the status of the water tanks and detergent level. It also displays the robot's battery life and other essential details. Although the app is easy to use, there is room for improvement to make it even more intuitive. The Dreame X40 Ultra blends cutting-edge technology with practical features, making it a standout choice for those who want to invest in a high-quality robot vacuum. It promises efficiency and convenience, ensuring you stay informed about its operations at all times. If you could afford this beast, we say go for it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers.